Brought to you by JEGS.
I'm Joel with LEED Brakes, and this is our power drum brake booster kit for 1964 to 66 Ford Mustangs with automatic transmissions. It's part number FC0035HK. And this kit will allow you to upgrade your factory single bowl manual brake car to power brakes with the added safety of a dual bowl master cylinder. It will also fit manual transmission cars equipped with an aftermarket cable style clutch. We ship this kit with the push rod installed and pre-adjusted to help make installation easy. And it also utilizes the factory 3-port distribution block. Now let's take a look at what's included with this setup. The installation instructions, the 7-inch power booster, a 1-inch dual bowl master cylinder, as well as all the brake lines and fittings needed to complete the install.
Brought to you by JEGS. Fast Delivery. Your source for high performance and quality. Delivering performance since 1960. JEGS.com.